Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Nissan Titan tailgate. First, carefully inspect your tailgate to pinpoint the exact issue, whether it's a latch problem, a hinge issue, or something else. Next, collect all the tools you might need, such as a basic screwdriver set, a socket wrench, and possibly some lubricant. Always prioritize safety by parking your truck on a flat, stable surface and engaging the parking brake before starting any work. Many common tailgate problems stem from sticky latches or loose hinges. For latches that aren't catching properly, a good silicone-based lubricant can often resolve the issue quickly. Simply spray it into the latch mechanism and work the handle a few times. If your tailgate feels wobbly, check the hinge bolts. They can often be tightened with a 13mm socket wrench. Sometimes, adjusting the striker plates slightly can also improve closure. If your tailgate drops too quickly or doesn't stay open, the support cables or damper might be the culprits. Carefully examine the cables for any signs of fraying or breakage. These are crucial for safety and should be replaced immediately if damaged. Next, check the tailgate damper, which helps control the opening speed. If it's leaking fluid or offers little resistance, a new damper installation will restore smooth, controlled operation. To keep your Nissan Titan tailgate working flawlessly, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to clean and lubricate all moving parts, including latches, hinges, and cables, every few months. Also, keep an eye out for any signs of rust or corrosion, particularly around the hinge pins, and address them promptly. For more great tips and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned earlier, along with other fantastic deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.